Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the SMC Orientation Mini Tutorial Series. My name is Joseph, and today I'm going to walk you through academic history on ACORN. So to kick us off, go to the left side of your ACORN page and click on Academic History. This will take you to recent academic history, which is essentially a breakdown of your courses and grades over the most recent year. But there's a few key things that I want to note here. One is your GPA calculator. So go to GPA Calculator by clicking on this link right here. It will open up a new tab for you automatically. And before we get into it, there's a few key things you should know about in terms of terminology. So we have the CGPA, which is your cumulative GPA. This is essentially your weighted average for all your courses you've taken thus far throughout university. Then we have your sessional GPA, which is essentially your grades for a specific semester. And then we have your annual GPA, which is your weighted average for courses taken over the course of both the fall and winter semester. So now that we know that, we can get into the purpose of the GPA calculator. So you can plug in your CGPA, which is essentially your overall average as far as university and how many credits you've earned so far. And that will give you, that's kind of like your baseline. And then from there, you can add your grades in different courses that you've taken this semester or this entire year. And that will calculate two things. One, it will show you your sessional GPA for a semester. And two, it will show you how your cumulative GPA has changed. So for example, say your cumulative GPA is X, and then all of a sudden you can see based on the semester, it's gone up a few points above baseline X, or based on your current expected grades this semester, it's going to go down a few points based on baseline X, which is very relevant and valuable to see in terms of how your current grades in a semester or a year are affecting your overall GPA U of T. The next key thing that I want to note here is getting an unofficial transcript. So go to complete academic history, click it right here, and then print academic history. And then within destination, you click on save as PDF. As you can see here, we have kind of a full breakdown of my courses taken at U of T, and you just press the save button. And the reason why this is important is because it will allow you to save this academic history as an unofficial transcript, which you can then use for either job or volunteer postings that require a transcript rather than actually paying for an official transcript at U of T. Most job postings will actually say that they require an unofficial transcript anyway, so this will fulfill that requirement, but this is exactly how you do it by saving as a PDF. So thank you so much for taking the time to listen to me today. I wish you all the best and take care.